I want to show you how to adjust and clean our Marvin retractable screen. By far, our number one call is poor operation. And I will tell you the number one cause is dust and sheetrock dust. And I'll show you how to clean it out. So one thing you can do, if you don't feel comfortable removing this cover all the way, you can leave the cover in place and you can just peel this back and you can use compressed air or a vacuum or a blower. You saw there was a lot of dust in there. Go ahead. Take some pledge, spray it on a paper towel, a lot of it. Then fold it up. And now I'm going to go ahead and wipe this track down. And then do the side here. Then I'm going to do the top. I can just peel this back. And I'm going to wipe in there. Now I'm going to try the operation of it. Just like that. That's simple. Also, make sure that these covers are all the way seated down. Sometimes during construction, these things can move up, or people coming in and out of windows, or what have you. Just make sure the covers are on all the way, and make sure that they're seated, and they should operate just like that. Just like it came from the factory. So what I showed you is our number one call with the retractable screens. I would have to, if I had to estimate, I would say about 75% of all retractable screen problems are exactly what I just showed you. Just by cleaning it out, blowing out the dust, and taking some pledge on a paper towel, wiping it out, makes a tremendous difference. And also remember, when operating your retractable screens, you push this way, obviously to extend your screen, and when you want it to retract, you're pushing this to the outside while you hold on to it, just like that. Hopefully this video helped you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Just click on the subscribe down in the lower bottom. Thank you. Have a great day.